Greetings, students. Here is a video on exponential growth and decay. This is an example of exponential growth. Find the total amount paid on a 2-year loan of $600 at an annual rate of 14% interest. So we use our formula A equals P times 1 plus R to the nth power. Now 600 is P, the original amount. 1 plus R is my rate of 14%, which I'm going to change to 0.14. Move the decimal twice to the left. N is the number of years, which is 2. We type all that in our calculator and we get $779.76. So after 2 years, that is how much money you would have to pay back. Okay, now let's do an exponential decay. In 1989, there were 700 pounds of trash created in Sillyville. Due to recycling efforts, the amount of trash decreases by 20% every year. How much trash was there in 1996? So we're going to use our formula, the same formula, except this time we're going to put minus because it says decreases. So this is a decay. And then 7 is because that's the number of years from 1989 to 1996 is 7 years, and we get 146.80. All right, now let's go to another exponential problem. Let's look at this one. A bacterial culture quadruples in size. Now quadruples means times 4, so this is an exponential growth. Every 3 hours, we begin with 700 milligrams. How much culture will there be after 3 hours? And all we do is quadruple times 4, and you get 2,800 milligrams. Here's another problem. This is another exponential growth. A bacterial culture triples in size every 6 hours. We begin with 400 milligrams. How much culture will there be after 12 hours? Well, after 6 hours, it triples. So that's 400 times 3, and we get 1,200. But then it wants to know after 12 hours, so that means after another 6 hours to make a total of 12. So you have to take 1,200 and triple that. So 1,200 times 3, and your final answer is 3,600 milligrams. Let's talk about half-life. The half-life of some element is 3 minutes. That means every 3 minutes there is half the amount there was before. So this is an exponential decay. If we start with 800 milligrams, find the amount that will be left after 6 minutes. So after 3 minutes, because it's a half-life of every 3 minutes, we divide by 2. So there would be 400 milligrams after 3 minutes. But they want to know after 6 minutes. So that would mean another 3 minutes. So we would take what we ended up with and divide that by 2. And so our final answer would be 200 milligrams. Hope this helps.